Hello everybody and welcome to episode 2 of the, what is this, 500 brake horsepower classic mini build. You can tell it's day 2 because I've had a shave, thus resulting in the passage of time. Anyway, let's get this engine out. That's the plan for today. Engine out, and then, yeah, assess what needs to be done. So, run the time lapse. Yeah, engine and gearbox can come out of the hole. It literally just fits, and when I say literally, that's that is in the way. That is you know, stopping it from coming out nicely. But yeah, there's a big hole where an engine used to be. And was it fun? No, it wasn't fun. I mean, yeah, it's alright, but man, I am tired. So it's time for lunch now. And then, yeah, we'll get on to the next job. Great. Yes, got the engine and gearbox separated. So gearbox off and apart. Actually, I didn't get it apart. Matt from Select Motorsport. Select Motorsport is where I'm doing all this work, and Matt is the owner of this place, really. He took the gearbox apart for me, and we noticed that the hub between third and fourth is worn, which is essentially causing my grinding noise. I contacted Honda for a new hub, and they still do sell these parts, even though this box is 20 years old. However, the price was a little steep, you know, typical Steeler prices. So I contacted Techiware Imports, and I was able to get about 100 quid, 150 quid off the price. So we've ordered a new third to fourth hub with synchro set. When that arrives, hopefully tomorrow, Matt and I will get back, or just Matt will put it all back together, and we'll get the gearbox back up and operational. The rest of the gearbox is in pretty good shape. I've got a longer final drive already installed. I did that last time. So yeah, just a little refresh really. Needs must, I guess. Needs must. Got the engine there. I've got my new engine here. Taken the head off as I want to do the valve stem oil seals. So I just got a set of Skunk 2 one. Also, I've got a few other bits that need to go on. I've got a paddle clutch. This is a second-hand unit, but I bought it from a friend, so I know the history of it. It's not been used for very long. It's an upgraded one, so it can take the horsepower. I've also got different sump to put on. It's a Moroso sump, which a lot of people have probably already seen. However, this is it's a winged and baffled unit. So, and it's even got the clockwise baffle. Extra oil capacity, help with the cooling, help with the wear of the engine. You know, all sort of good stuff. Going to get on with the valve stem oil seals, get the head back on, get it all timed up. Once the gearbox parts arrive, we'll slap that on. But yeah, looking forward to it. We're making some good progress. So yeah, let's get cracking. Mr. Postman has been and delivered my new gearbox bits. So here was the old hub. I don't know if you can see if the camera's picking this up. I'll put a still image and zoom in on the worn areas. But yeah, my synchros and my 3rd to 4th gear selector hub was very worn, so that would result in the crunching. So what I've done is I've changed it. I've put it all back together now. Yeah, changes gear. No, it's a bit difficult to do with one hand actually going back up. There you go. So yeah, changes gear quite nicely now, so hopefully on the first test drive it won't crunch as it goes from 3rd to 4th. Also, I have done my valve stem oil seal, so now this head is ready to go back onto the block. Once the head is on, I can then get the timing belt, obviously the cams, basically build up the whole entire engine along with the gearbox, merge the two together, and then shoehorn it back into the Mini. So yeah, I'm going to end episode 2 here, everyone. If you like what I'm doing, if you like what you're watching, please consider giving this video a like, give it a share. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. It really does help me out. Leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see. But yeah, we're making some good progress. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.